Hi everybody, it's Jeanette Bell from East Coast Mommy, and I have the ultimate dollar store hot chocolate bar to share with you today. You are going to love this. I started with one of the cardboard trifolds from the dollar store, and I covered it with brick contact paper, which I also got at the dollar store. Then I used an X-Acto knife to cut windows, one on each of the side panels, and I used tape and parchment paper to cover the windows. Then I used black electrical tape to outline the windows and fill in the inside detail. Then I took a piece of foam core, covered it with contact paper, outlined it with electrical tape, and used my Cricut to spell out Bell Family Hot Chocolate Stand. I cut some slits in the bottom of the sign, attached it to my trifold, and my hot chocolate stand background was finished. I set my stand on a couple of TV trays, and then I covered it with a dollar store plaid blanket to make it look nice and cozy. I set a tray on top of the blanket, and then I got to work filling it up with goodies. I started with 3 of these dollar store jars. I really like them and they're super inexpensive. I wanted to dress up the lids, so I just took a glue gun and attached a little bit of ribbon around the top of the lid, and then I used some more glue just to secure it in place. I filled one jar with hot chocolate mix, and then in the other jar I put marshmallows, and then in the last jar I put little hazelnut cookies that my boys like. You can leave the jars plain, but I love using window clings on glass. So I took a couple of them, stuck them on the jar. If you're worried about them falling off, you can use a little bit of glue from a glue stick, but I just use them plain. At this point, you can add whatever else you want to the tray. I had some dishes in my cupboard. I filled one with candy canes. I took another little dish and I filled it with coal. And then I took a bowl that I had and I filled it with cookies. And then I took another little dish and filled it with Hershey's Kisses. Just anything that kids might like to enjoy with their hot chocolate. And here's how my tray looked, full of goodies. I added some fairy lights and a little hot cocoa on the farm sign I got at the dollar store, and a little garland that I made in an earlier video. And I think this is absolutely adorable. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Really helps my channel. Thanks so much. Bye.